Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Thank Google. So in last video we have seen logical operators. So in today's video we are going to see identity operators. Okay, so there are two type of identity operators and we use identity operators to compare objects. Okay, and if they are not equal but still they are present in any particular list, then it is going to return true. Not list, tuple, not only list but in tuple, tuple dictionary, etc. So we have not discussed those list tuples. I'm not going to give you example of that. Okay, so here I am just going to take simple example: a equals to 12 and b equals to 13. Okay, and here I'll print and I'll say a is B. Okay, so this is identity operator. Okay, this is first identity operator. I'll write over here is. Okay, now what it will do is it will check whether this A is similar to B or not. Okay, if it is similar, then it is going to give you true, and if it is not, then false. I will run this. I will run this, and you can see false. But if I write 12 over here and run, then you can see I got true. Okay, and another is not. Okay, so if I say print and I write a is not b, okay, here it will give you false because both are same. So you can see I got false. But if I write 13 13 and you can see true because these both are not same. So yeah, these are the identity operators. So in next video we are going to see membership operator. Okay, so this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.